Nico. He's 2 years old and he likes to do beep beep. Show us how you do beep beep. Where do you turn the lights on? Okay. That's the radio. Turn the lights on. Where do you turn the blinking lights? What about this one?
I turn them.
Oh, you're going to turn the recirculation on?
Yeah.
Now the defrost. Okay. What about the arrow lights? The green arrows? That's it. And your turn signal? What about making it go beep beep? What about beep beep? Can you make it go beep beep right here? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Safe travels. Say don't forget your hat. Don't forget your shoes. Shift the gears. What else do we need to do?
I'm trying to see them.
Okay, just the heater and the fan. What about your blinkers? Want to turn the blinkers off?
Yeah.
Okay. These are the blinkers. Turn the blinkers off. There it goes. All right. Thank you. All done. Oh, put that turn signal on. Nico, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye. You like to do beep beep. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.